Right then, are we live? Okay, guys, welcome to Deviant Poetry, Writer Showcase number 22. This is your boy Chenny. I'm sorry it's been such a long time since the last reading. I've actually been very unwell. You will still hear it probably because after each reading I'm probably going to cough. I've been dealing with it, the lung infection for a while, and it has really been hard these past few days, but I decided that if I'm going to excuse me, if I'm going to keep waiting for it to get better, I'll never get the readings done, so I decided to just bite the bullet and do it. But on the plus side, you know, being so sick has slimmed me down a bit. You can see it in the face, so I look handsomer than ever. That's the only plus side, I guess. But hopefully that makes you enjoy the videos a bit more. Anyway, Wanderfen has also been very busy, unfortunately, recently, so that's why the group hasn't grown as much as we normally do. But as soon as she's done, she's going to get back to hunting, and of course, everything's going to go back to normal. So we all have these little life problems, but the thing is that we overcome them together. And I'm, of course, still advertising for you guys, so don't worry. People are going to be viewing, and I'll be trying to do one more reading, maybe tomorrow if I can. But anyway, let's get into the reading proper. Of course, we always start in the journal entry. Remember, if you were read in this video, please just help us share the channel or share the video. That's all we really ask from you guys. And I hope that the 7 poets that have been chosen by Sakurai to be read today will be awesome. I will do my best to make them awesome. But of course, their work is what gives power to my voice. Right, so let's get straight into it. The first poem is Darkness Also by Justin Bellamy. Looking at the page, Justin Bellamy is male from the United States. He's been a Deviant for 4 months. And he watches me apparently, so thanks for watching me, Justin. And I hope you enjoy getting your poem read. So this is called Darkness Also. Are you guys ready for this? The perfection of complexion and the loss of a soul is quickly becoming all to extol. The winds, they scream madness, blasphemy, sin. But my mind, with all its thrashes, can't be kept in. My colors, oh, they shine, they swirl in ghosts of dance, and my person that I control is growing in plants. The black, ghastly view of the distant unborn land has never seen light. From the warm, loving sand, I refuse to believe that dark is forgot, that the sun will not rise for those who love not. In this world of tyranny, horror, and scare, there is a jingle of excitement in the colourful air. Excitement for what? I do not think I will ever know. But if you just love, you may have the final blow. So that was Darkness Also by Justin Bellamy. The link to their page will be in the description. Check them out. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to be coughing after everyone. Okay. So this next piece is called King by R. Sonic. And they are from the United States. R. Sonic. They've been a Deviant for 5 years. So come and check out their deviations. You might be surprised by what they find. By what you find. Okay, are you ready? I lay breathless atop my tower of isolation, where I am king, waiting for when I can find you and swallow you whole. This is something I would say. This is something I would totally say. When I'm in one of my kingly moods, I'd be all like, Wanderfen, have you any offerings for your lord? Oh, what lovely sacrifices these are. I will consume their flesh and begin a new world. Okay, but anyway, that's just me being dramatic. Alright, so the link to their that was King by Arsonic. Link to their page is in the description. Check it out. I will now move on to Moments. Moments by E. Davis 112. E. Davis 112. That sounds cooler. Trick or Treat. Oh my god, that is a cute picture. So this is E. Davis 112. They're female from the United States. They've been a deviant for 9 months, so come and check out their work. They've got 99 deviations up here, so probably a lot to see and get to know them. Excuse me. I feel like one of those mutants that has to, like, survive some kind of strange infection in his lungs permanently, but it's alright, I'll get over it. Okay, are you ready? Our lives are a moment, a fleeting, short moment. We live meaningful lives and affect only those around us. But what if we could be more? What if we could save those we came in contact with, make the moment worth living, save their soul? Our lives are like that of a rose, short and beautiful in the perspective of our Creator. What if we could help others see the same thing? That they are wanted the way they are, beautiful and worth it. What if we could save them, not from pain or struggles, but from eternal misery? What would you do if you held all this power? Squander it or use it to affect those around you in your fleeting, short moment? I'm actually going to answer this because in my personal experience, we do actually have the power to affect people in amazing ways. But it's up to us how we use that power and whether or not we choose to use it or squander it. And believe me, I almost squandered my opportunity to use this power in the right way. And because I chose to take it for granted, to take what I could do for granted, I almost lost someone that is very important to me. But from that experience, I learned, I got better. And now I know that you can use this power for the right reasons. Sometimes it's easy to think that at the top, when you have the power, you can be God and you can change whatever you want. But you can't. And you have to be smart. Sometimes people need to make their own choices. And that is what it means to respect another human being. But anyway, that is just my personal thing. That was Moments by E. Davis 112. Check out their page. Link is in the description. Alright, moving on. We have The Voyage of Life by Mariatrix. Mariatrix. It's a nice name. Oh, I like the term for other reasons. None of you heard that. Anyway, so this is Maria. She's female from Finland. She's got 40. She's been a deviant for 8 months, and she's got 45 deviations up here. So plenty for you to check out. Come by and see. But if you're ready, it's time for the reading. The stormy voyage of life on the waters of destiny. You are my lighthouse, guiding me gracefully. You are the wind blowing in my sail, to push me forwards, never letting me fail. But you as well have the voyage to get through, and that's why I promise to do all the same to you. Because you are my angel, my star above the seas, and with each other in our lives, the storm is just a breeze. And just for the one person whom I know is going to hear this, Genji is with you. Alright, yeah, I won't go into more detail because I don't want to waste time. Alright, that was Voyage of Life by Mariatrix. Beautiful poetry that touches the heart. If you haven't checked this person out, what are you waiting for? You see something this good, you gotta be there. Get to know this person. Alright, I'm moving on now to The Dead Frontier by Ed Wolf. So they're unknown. They've been a deviant for 9 years, but only 24 deviations. So they work slowly. Or they're very private. But regardless, this is a piece of theirs that has made its way into my folders. So let's get into it. I stood on a white hill in dying green and stared down to the roaring glass as the wind whipped my hair, and scored the ages onto my face. I swallowed the heart of a riven seer while the cold sunset settled, until I found blistered dreams, desperate refuge from scorching frost. I remember dark frozen lakes and the frigid summer skies, the endless scent of rot on the air, as my sweat burned upon the grime, all of them eternal in the dying light that choked away hunters' tales. Yet still they were a lasting comfort, and aside to the rage ripping my skin. There are echoes of a single stripling whose gilded hair and so dimmed to 100 pairs of faces scowling across shattered vases, but bound as one by a narrow unity, leaping always from ice to ice, forever trading one doom for another, with feet that don't know what to do. A lot of imagery and symbolism in that. Beautiful piece. If only this person would write more. I think that could be amazing. Anyway, check them out. The link is in the description. Moving on. Forgive me, my lungs are dying, but I shall not let them die, for only in death does duty end. Alright, so we have The Chronicler by Falros. Falros. Okay, this is Finbar. He's male from Australia. A fellow Australian. He's been a deviant for 6 years, and he's got 90 deviations, so come and check him out. Now then, if you're all ready, allow me to read this piece. This is The Chronicler by Falros. Came the wind to carry me beyond what can be seen, blowing me away from now and into what has been. Before the use of fire, before the birth of man, back to the dawn of time, to where it all began. There the echoes whispered that it must be penned, and so I count each hour until the very end. This could make for quite an awesome story. Imagine this galactic being that's just like, he chronicles everything, he sees everything, but he never interacts, he just watches. So he writes the lives that take place. Amazing idea there. Anyway, that was The Chronicler by Falros. Finbar, male from Australia. A link to his page is in the description, check him out. And now we are moving on to the last poem we have for today. The Man Who Lives in a Cube. Okay, I shall try to do this one before my lungs die. I shall endure. Okay, so this is the Phantom Otaku 12, A.W. Joyce. He's 18, male, from the United States. He's been a deviant for 10 months. He's got 306 deviations here, so check him out. I'm sure that you will probably enjoy what he's got. Now then, are you ready? He sits and stares at the clock, watching the hands spin. Within the small cube, time was the only thing that ever moved. The bitter liquid on his tongue, the mocking words on his screen. He stops and wonders. Was this all it was? Is this all the world will be? Locked within a barren, grey room, lost within the mire, born to waste away, filling, filing, forever. Wait, did I get the last one right? Yeah, filling. Wait, filing forever. I'm sorry. Yeah, but anyway, that was The Man Who Lives in a Cube. Interesting thought, really. If you were a man who's contained in a cube, solitary, but you knew how to speak, you knew about, I'm assuming, things outside of the cube, would you really go insane? I would. I need a lot of social contact. I cannot be in the cube. But anyway, that was The Man Who Lives in a Cube by Phantom Otaku 12. Fantastic work. His page is in the description. Do check it out. And that is all the time we have for today. I'll try and do another reading really soon. Probably day after tomorrow. If I can, I will try and do it day after tomorrow. Hopefully the lungs get a lot better because I'm dying. But hopefully I also look a bit more handsome, thanks to the fact that, yeah, I'm half dead these days. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Of course, the links to all the poets are in the description of the video. And if you're not from Deviant Art, and even if you are from Deviant Art, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like the video. Tell us what you enjoy, and we shall try to provide it here at the Writer Gang. I'll see you all for the next one.